Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can easily fix the missing SM bus controller driver just in seconds. So let's get started. Simply search for device manager, right click over the SM bus controller and click on update driver. Now browse my computer for drivers and select this option and scroll down now to find system devices. Select it and click on next. Under manufacturer, make sure it is Intel and model SM bus controller. Click on next and here click on yes. That's it, the driver will get successfully installed. However, if this does not solve your issue, simply comment down and I'll be happy to help with the installation of the driver. Thanks for watching, keep supporting the channel.